collaboration with Pagmaya Chocolate. And then we have also Yongwa. This is a wafer twill dipped with dark chocolate and a choice of either cashew nuts or cacao nibs.
How much?
And this is 225 po. And this one, we have Hunter Baked Granola Bites. It has rolled oats, dried fruits and nuts, and sweetened with honey. So we have 150 grams and 70 grams. And the price is 85 pesos for the small one and 165 for the big one. And we also have oatmeal bites. We have classic and we also have choco chips. And it's 225 for the choco chip and 210 for the classic. And we also have lemon pound cake. It's 275 for this loaf. And we also have sweet cocoa chips. This one is vegan. It's made of coconut chips, coconut sugar, and coconut cream with a bit of rock salt. And this is only 65 pesos. Yes. Nasa may mga souvenir. Yes, we have coasters. These are handmade souvenirs. We have trinket dish. This one is 165. This one is 190. 3 coasters, 3 pieces na po yan. And another one. And we also have a keychain. And ref magnets.
So, available in certain stores or how we could order them on Facebook?
We have Facebook page po, Dream Patisserie Cafe. And all of our products are actually found in Ginama Auto Hub, located in Gaston Park. Yes, so
you can invite.